Hello everyone, welcome to Math Edutof. Then today we study the exercise differentiation. Hello everyone, welcome to Math Edutof. Today we study the exercise question number 3 of 1.1 of the differentiation chapter. Then here the question number 4 is given x cube minus 5 raised to power 5 divided x cube plus 3 raised to power 3. In last video already we have studied the question number first, second as well as the first to 9 question of question number 3. Then here remaining questions we take in this video. Then the x cube minus 5 raised to power 5 divided x cube plus 3 raised to power 3. Then in order to differentiate this, we denote this given as y. Then dy by dx is equal to, we have to use here u upon v, means u upon v quotient rule. Then we use quotient rule, that is when we use quotient rule, dy by dx is equal to, we know that v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided, we get denominator square. Okay, we know this. Then this denominator and this are numerator, means v into, means what, x cube plus 3 raised to power 3 into derivative of numerator, that is x cube minus 5 raised to 5 minus numerator x cube minus 5 raised to power 5 into derivative of denominator is x cube plus 3 raised to power 3 divided denominator term is x cube plus 3 raised to power 3. Then here square of this raised to power 2, that is denominator square. Then take the derivative, dy by dx is equal to x cube plus 3 raised to power 3. Here x raised to n form, means this as x raised to power n, means what we get 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1, 4. But x means x cube minus 5 raised to power 4, that is composite function. Then into derivative of this inside term, means what, x cube minus 5 derivative minus 10, this x cube minus 5 raised to power 5, that is on which function d dx is operated, only derivative of this, and this inside the outside function remain as it is. Okay, only the derivative of a function on which this d dx is operated. Then derivative of this one, 3 into x cube plus 3 raised to 3 minus 1, 2, that is here again x raised to n form. Then into derivative of this inside term, that is into derivative of x cube plus 3 divided by denominator square, that is x cube plus 3 raised to 3 raised to 2, means a raised to m raised to n. I mean that it is a raised to m into n, means what, a raised to power 6. Then find the derivative dy by dx. Here this term remain as it is. Here also second term remain as it is, x cube minus 5 raised to 4, and here derivative of x cube again x raised to n form, that is 3x square, and constant derivative is 0, means derivative of 5 is 0. Then minus time this x cube minus 5 raised to power 5 into this term also remain as it is, 3x cube plus 3 raised to 2, and here again derivative is 3x square and constant derivative is 0. Then from numerator we take common term outside, x cube plus 3 raised to power 6. Then which one is common term? Here x cube plus 3, here also x cube plus 3, but common power is here 3 and here is 2, means common power is 2. Okay, that is minimum. Then dy by dx is equal to x cube plus 3 raised to power 2. Then x cube minus 5 raised to power 4 is there, and here raised to power 5 is there, means common minimum power is 4. Then x cube minus 5 raised to 4 power. Then remain is here remain is x cube plus 3, out of this 2 power is inside, then remain is x cube plus 3 single term, the rest to 4 power is outside, means this term is get cancelled. 5 into 3x square means what, 15x square, minus 10, here out of this 4 power is outside, then x cube minus 5 is remain, into this 2 power is outside, remain is 3 into 3, that is 9x square. Okay, then divided by this x cube plus 3 raised to power is 6. Then 6 power, here 2 power, means out of this 2 power get cancelled, the remain is 4 power. Okay, at the denominator. Then dy by dx is equal to, this raised to 2 get cancelled, means here x cube minus 5 raised to 4 into, simplify this, 15 into 3, that is 15x square, into this x cube, multiply this inside, x raised to power 5. Then this 15 into 3, 45x square. Then this minus into this 9, means minus 9, x raised to power is 5. This minus and this minus plus, and 9 into 5, 45, that is plus 45x square. Okay, then divided by x cube plus 3, here 2 power is cancelled, remains 4 power. Okay, then simplify this, 15x raised to 5 and this minus 9 means 6 time, and this has 90 time. Okay, then what we get, dy by dx is equal to, okay, we write here, then dy by dx is equal to x cube minus 5 raised to power 4, here addition is 6x raised to power 5 plus 90x square, divided by this x cube plus 3 raised to power 4. Then 9 into 15, yes, if you multiply by 15 by 6, then it is 90. Then we take this as outside, remain is 50. Okay, if we take 6x square outside, then remain is dy by dx is equal to x cube minus 5 raised to power 4, 6x square common term, then here remain is x cube, here remain is 15. 15 into 6 is 90, divided by x cube plus 3 raised to power 4. Also u upon v form, then u upon v, then dy by dx is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided denominator square. Okay, then apply this, this as u, this as v, then dy by dx is equal to v into, means e raised to root x minus 1 into derivative of this e raised to root x plus 1 minus e raised to root x plus 1 constant into derivative of denominator e raised to root x minus 1 divided denominator square, that is e raised to root x minus 1 square. Then solve this, dy by dx is equal to a raised to root x minus 1 into derivative of this u plus v form, then exponential derivative, you know that it is exponential, then consider this as x, then e raised to x, e raised to into derivative of this x, means root x is here. Okay, then e raised to root x into the derivative of root x, and constant derivative is 0, minus e raised to root x plus 1 into, again same thing, derivative of exponential is exponential into the derivative of this square root term is there, divided denominator square, means e raised to root x minus 1 square. Then dy by dx is equal to e raised to root x minus 1 into this e raised to root x, and which derivative of root x, it is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, then minus 10, here same thing, e raised to root x plus 1 constant e raised to root x into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, divided by denominator is e raised to root x minus 1 square. Then simplify this term, dy by dx, then out of this, which term is common, e raised to root x into 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, this is common term, take it outside. Now okay, don't take it outside, only we take 1 upon root x as outside, and we multiply e raised to root x to this one. Okay, then we take 1 upon 2 root x as outside, then remain is inside e raised to root x, then multiply this e raised to root x into e raised to root x. When we take this outside, what is remain, e raised to root x minus 1 into e raised to root x minus e raised to root x plus 1 into e raised to root x. We have take this and this as outside, and divided denominator square means e raised to root x minus 1 square. Okay, then we simplify, dy by dx is equal to this 1 upon 2 into root x, multiply e raised to root x to inside, the root x into root x is e raised to x, then minus e raised to root x, minus time, this as e raised to x, and this minus e raised to root x, divided by this e raised to root x minus 1 square. Then this plus and minus get cancelled, the remain is here, numerator minus 10 means minus 2 e raised to root x divided e raised to root x minus 1 square, and into this 1 upon 2 root x means 1 upon here 2 root x, means this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Therefore minus time means minus e raised to root x divided root x into e raised to root x minus 1 square, which is the value of derivative. In order to find the derivative, first log of this function is given, means product function is there, tan cube x sin raised to 4x and x square plus 7 raised to power 7 is this one. Then here for to find the derivative, first we simplify this term in the simple form such that we easily find the derivative. We know that the properties of logarithm, that is log of a into b into c, means log a plus log b plus log c. So here which property we use here? Log a into b into c is log a plus log b plus log c. Then again one property we have to use, log a raised to m power is m into log a. Okay, these two properties are important, we have to use here, log a into b into c and log a raised to power n. Then applying this property, what we get? Log of first function, second function, third function, means log of tan cube x second plus time log of sin raised to 4x plus time log of this x square plus 7 raised to power 7. Then again this tan cube x means what? This tan cube x means what? Tan x raised to power 3. Okay, means log a raised to m form, means what we get? Y is equal to log a raised to tan x cube is there. Okay, this has log of tan x cube is this. Same thing, this log of sin raised to 4x means what? Sin x raised to power 4 plus log of, this is already x square plus 7 raised to power 7. Then apply the formula, log a raised to m is m into log a. Then what we get? Y is equal to 3 into log of tan x plus this is also 4 into log of sin x. Next is 7 into log of x square plus 7. Then after that differentiate this. Okay, then differentiate with respect to x. Then dy by dx is equal to, this 3 is constant, log x derivative is that 1 upon x, but x means here tan x, and into derivative of tan x is there. Okay, plus this 4 constant, log of sin x derivative 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x, means inside term into derivative of sin x. Then same thing, this 7 constant, log of this derivative is 1 upon x square plus 7 into the derivative of this x square plus 7. Okay, then this dy by dx is equal to this 3 divided tan x, and the tan x derivative, you know that it is sec square of x, plus 4, this sin x derivative is cos x, means cos x upon sin x. Okay, then it is again cot x, plus this 7 divided x square plus 7 into this as 2x. Then sec square x means this 1 upon tan x means cot x. Okay, then this 3 times cot x into this sec square of x, plus this cos x upon sin x means what? 4 cot x, plus this 7 into 2 means 14x divided x square plus 7. Okay, these two terms remain as it is, that is there is no change to this, but here we have to just simplify this term. Cot x into sec square x, we write cos x upon sin x, 1 upon cos square, out of this one term get cancelled, the remaining is 1 upon sin x into cos x. Then in order to apply the standard result, that is sin 2x is 2 times sin x into cos x. Then for that we have to divide and multiply by 2. When we multiply by 2, that is this term cot x into sec square of x is equal to what we get? 2 divided sin 2x. Means in place of this cot x sec square of x, what we replace? 2 divided sin 2x, and sin means, that is sin means cosec of 2x, sin 2x, 1 upon sin 2x means 2 times this 2 constant, 1 upon sin 2x means cosec of 2x. Okay, therefore here in cot x sec square of x, what we replace? 2 times cosec 2x. Okay, therefore in place of this, and this 2 times cosec 2x into 3 means what? 6 times cosec 2x plus this 4 cot x plus this 14x divided x square plus 7, which is the value of derivative. And first we simplify this by using some standard formulas. That is, we know that sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. That is 2 times sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. But for half angle means 1 minus cos theta is equal to get 2 times sin square theta by 2. Okay. Then here theta means what we have to consider, this 3x. Okay. Here theta means 3x. Then 1 minus cos theta is 2 times sin square theta by 2. Then 1 minus cos 3x is 2 times sin square, in place of theta 3x divided by 2. Then same thing for this 1 plus cos theta is 2 times cos square theta by 2. Then 1 plus cos 3x is in place of theta 3x, means 2 times cos square 3x by 2. Okay, which result we have to use? This as sin square theta is this one. Then for the half angle we get 2 times sin square theta by 2. Then in place of theta we substitute 3x. Then we get these two results. Then if we substitute this as, therefore y is equal to log of square root of, first is 1 minus cos 3x means 2 times sin square 3x divided by 2. Second one is 2 times cos square 3x divided by 2. Then this 2 to get cancelled. Then square root, if you take square root of the sin square, it is sin, and cos square it is cos. Means what to get here, log of this sin 3x divided by 2 divided cos 3x divided by 2. And we have well known sin upon cos means tan. Therefore y is equal to tan of log of 3x divided by 2. Then differentiate this, differentiate with respect to x. Then dy by dx, then derivative of log, that is 1 upon reciprocal 1 upon tan 3x divided by 2 into derivative of tan is, that is derivative of tan x is sec square of x, but x means here 3x divided by 2 into derivative inside here, that is tan derivative sec square into derivative inside term is into derivative of 3x divided by 2. Then this 3 by 2 is constant, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, means it is only 3 by 2. Okay, therefore dy by dx is equal to this 1 upon tan means cot 3x divided by 2. This sec square means 1 upon cos square of 3x divided by 2, and this is 3 by 2 term. And then simplify this dy by dx. Cot means cos 3x divided by 2 divided sin 3x divided by 2 into this 1 upon cos square of 3x divided by 2 into this 3 by 2. Means out of this 2 power, 1 power get cancelled. Constant term we take this outside. Dy by dx is equal to this 3 by 2 1 upon sin of 3x divided by 2 into cos of 3x divided by 2 term is there. Then again, in order to use the standard result, that is sin 2 theta is 2 times sin theta into cos theta. Then here theta means 3x by 2, but in order to apply this we want here 2 times, means for that divide and multiply by 2. Okay, then when we divide and multiply by 2, this value is sin 2 times 3x by 2. Okay, sin 2 theta, but theta means here 3x by 2, means what we get this as, this sin of 2 times 3x divided by 2, but this get cancelled, remain is only sin 3x. Okay, this value as sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta into cos theta, but theta is 3x by 2. When we substitute here 3x by 2, 2 get cancelled, sin 3x is remain. Then again here, therefore which is equal to this 3 by 2 into numerator 2 and denominator is sin of 3x. Then this again 2 get cancelled, here remain is 3, and 1 upon sin means cosec, that is cosec of 3x, which is the value of derivative. Okay, so simplify, same thing as last one example. 1 plus cos theta is 2 times cos square theta by 2. Okay, 1 plus cos theta is 2 times cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta as 2 times cos square theta by 2. Then in place of theta we have to substitute 5x by 2, means what we get, 1 plus cos 5x by 2 as 2 times cos square 5x by 2 divided by 2, means what, 2 times cos square 5x by 4. Then same thing, 1 minus cos theta is here 2 times sin square theta by 2, in place of theta 5x by 2. Okay, then here 2 times sin square 5x by 2 divided by 2, that is 2 times sine square 5x by 4. Okay, something formula here, 1 minus cos theta 2 times sine square theta by 2, then in place of theta substitute 5x by 2, then 1 plus cos theta 2 times cos square theta by 2, in place of theta 5x by 2 divided by 2, again divided 5x by 4, then substitute this values here. Therefore y is equal to log of square root of this 2 times cos square 5x by 4, here 2 times sine square 5x by 4, 2 get cancelled, again take this square root, means cos square upon sine square means cot square, and its square root is cot. Okay, therefore log of, or either take cos square square root cos, sine square root sine, and then cos upon sine is cot. Okay, any one of these, that is cot of 5x by 4. Okay, therefore y is equal to, differentiate this with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, then after differentiating dy by dx, the log of x means 1 upon cot of 5x by 4 into derivative of this cot term, means cot of 5x by 4 derivative, that is what we get, 1 upon cot means tan of 5x by 4 into cot derivative is minus cos x square of 5x by 4, because cot x derivative is minus cos x square, into this derivative of const 5x by 4 inside term. Okay, therefore dy by dx is equal to, this tan means what, sine 5x divided by 4 divided cos 5x divided 4 into this cos x square minus sine, we take here outside, cos x square means 1 upon sine square of 5x by 4. Okay, and then into derivative of 5x by 4 is 5 by 4, then out of this sine square 1 sine term get cancelled, then dy by dx is equal to, this minus 5 by 4 we take outside, remain is here 1 upon cos into sine, means same thing, sine of 5x by 4 into cos of 5x by 4. Then again the last one example, something we know that sine 2 theta is 2 times sine theta into cos theta, but here theta means what, 5x by 4, then for that 2 times sine into cos term we want here 2, then divide and multiply by 2, then when we divide multiply by 2, here minus 5 by 4 into this 2, and denominator is here, this 2 times sine into cos means sine 2 theta, but theta means 5x by 4, means this out of this 2 get cancelled, remain is sine of 5x by 2. Okay, therefore d here sine of 5x by 2, and this out of this 2 get cancelled, therefore dy by dx is equal to, therefore dy by dx is equal to, here the value of derivative, this minus 5 by 2 into this 1 upon sine, that is 1 upon sine means cosec of 5x divided by, here 5 by 2 is there, not 4, out of this 2 to get cancelled, minus 5 by 2 into cosec of 5x by 2. Log of square root this, they will write this separately, and we apply the result 1 here, that is log a upon b is log a minus log b. Then first apply this result, therefore we get log of this square root 1 minus sin x minus 10 log of this square root 1 plus sin x, and after that we differentiate, therefore dy by dx is equal to, then derivative of this means differentiating this dy by dx of this, that is derivative of this minus 10 derivative of this. Okay, then log x derivative is 1 upon, then here 1 upon x means whole this term, therefore 1 upon square root of 1 minus sin x into derivative of this inside term, that is square root of 1 minus sin x minus 10, here also 1 upon square root of 1 plus sin x into this derivative of this square root of 1 plus sin x term. Okay, means log of x means whole this inside this square root term, means log of x means this term, here so log of x means whole this term, means 1 upon x into derivative of x, then dy by dx is equal to 1 upon square root of this 1 minus sin x into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 into root x into derivative of this inside term. But inside term is 1 minus sin x, means 1 upon 2 into root of 1 minus sin x into the derivative of this 1 minus sin x term. Minus second is here 1 upon the square root of 1 plus sin x into again derivative of root term 1 upon 2 into 1 plus sin x into the derivative of inside term, that is 1 plus sin x. Okay, then dy by dx is equal to this root into root, that is root get eliminated, remains 2 into 1 minus sin x. Then into derivative of sin x is cos x, and derivative of 1 is 0, and this minus sign remains as it is into minus cos x. Then here middle is minus sign, this root into root also get eliminated, 2 into 1 plus sin x. Then into derivative of sin x is cos x, means here cos x. Then which one is common term out of this? Here minus cos x divided by 2, here also minus time cos x divided by 2. Then take this outside, minus time cos x divided by 2, we take this outside. Then the remaining is here 1 upon 1 minus sin x, 1 upon 1 minus sin x, plus here 1 upon 1 plus sin x, that is after taking minus and outside, here is plus, here also plus. Then dy by dx is equal to this minus cos x divided by 2 into, take cross multiplication, that is 1 plus sin x plus 1 into this 1 minus sin x, and then 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. With that either we can multiply term by term, or with that 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x is 1 minus sin square x, or either you can find by multiplying a plus b into c plus d form. Okay, means 1 plus sin x minus sin x get cancelled, and minus sin x into sin x is here. How to find multiplication? 1 into 1 into plus sin x, and this minus sin x, plus minus get cancelled, and minus sin x into sin x minus sin square x. Okay, means 1 minus sin square x. Then this minus plus get cancelled, here is 2 times, means minus cos x divided by 2, numerator 1 plus 1 2, and 1 minus sin square x means cos square x. Okay, then this 2 get cancelled, out of this 1 cos x get cancelled, the remaining is minus time 1 upon cos x, and 1 upon cos means sec, means minus time sec x. Okay, that is minus time sec x, means value of derivative dy by dx is minus time sec x. Apply the result log a into b form. Then we know that log a into b is log a plus log b. Then again second form is also you have to apply, log a raised to m is m into log a. Okay, we apply these two rules of logarithm. Then applying the first one, we get y is equal to log of 4 raised to 2x into plus time. Next is log of this x square plus 5 divided square root is there, means 2x cube plus 4 raised to 1 half, and whole raised to power is here 3 by 2. Okay, log a raised to m form, then m into log a, then using this means 2x into log 4. Okay, 2x into log 4 plus this as log a upon b log a minus log b. Then here x square plus 5 raised to power is 3 by 2, taking separately power, and denominator this as log of denominator raised to power is 1 half, means 2x cube plus 4 raised to 1 half power, and again raised to is 3 by 2 power, means a raised to m raised to n, means a raised to m into n, means what, 1 half into 3 by 2 means 3 by 4 power total. Let this separate power raised to 3 by 2 and raised to 1 half into 3 by 2 3 by 4. Then log a upon b form, write this separately, that is 2x log 4 plus time log of this x square plus 5 raised to 3 by 2 minus time log of 2x cube plus 4 raised to 3 by 4. In order to find dy by dx, first we simplify this also, that is y is equal to this 2x into log 4 plus log a raised to m form, means what, 3 by 2 into log of x square plus 5. Also log a raised to m form is 3 by 4 into log of 2x cube plus 4, and then we differentiate. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, this 2 is constant, log 4 is constant, is 2 log 4, and derivative of x with respect to x, we know that it is 1. Then this plus 3 by 2 into derivative of log is 1 upon x square plus 5. Then derivative of x square plus 5, that is again derivative of this x square plus 5 minus 10. Okay, here 3 by 4 into log derivative is 1 upon 2x cube plus 4 into this derivative of again this 2x cube plus 4. Okay, therefore dy by dx is equal to this 2 log 4 plus time this 3 by 2, 1 upon x square plus 5, x square derivative is 2x and 5 derivative is 0. Then minus this 3 by 4, 1 upon 2x cube plus 4 into this 2 is constant, x cube derivative is 3x square and 4 derivative is 0, means this 3 into 2 it is 6. Okay, either directly we write 6x square. Then simplify this, dy by dx is equal to this 2 log 4, cancel out the term which get cancelled, 2, the remaining is here 3x, denominator x square plus 5. Then here also 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, means this 3 into 3 9 into x square, means 9x square divided 2 into 2x cube plus 4, which is the value of derivative. Also first simplify, here log a into b divided by some term is there. Then first use log a upon b formula. Then also we have to use log a raised to m formula, means m into log a. And then next is we have to use log a into b, means log a plus log b. Okay, then first we apply log a upon b, means we separate out this term. Y is equal to log of this e raised to x square into 5 minus 4x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 10 log of, okay, this cube root of x. Cube root means x raised to the power 1/3. When square root means x raised to the power 1/2. That is cube root means 1/3. Means 7 minus 6x raised to power 1/3. Okay. Then here use log a into b. Therefore log a into b, log of e raised to x square plus log of 5 minus 4x raised to 3 by 2 minus log of 7 minus 6x raised to 1/3. Then all these terms are in the form of log a raised to m, a raised to m, a raised to m. This m into log a, means what we get here, x square into log e plus next is 3 by 2 into log of 5 minus 4x minus 1/3 into log of 7 minus 6x. Okay, then log e to the base is 1, then remain is here only x square. Okay, therefore y is equal to, here remain is only x square. This term is 1 because log e already their base is e. Then next one, we differentiate this. Differentiating this x square derivative is 2x plus this 3 by 2 log of derivative is 1 upon 5 minus 4x into derivative of inside term, that is 5 minus 4x minus this 1/3 log derivative 1 upon 7 minus 6x into this derivative of 7 minus 6x. Okay, then y is equal to this 2x plus this 3 by 2 1 upon 5 minus 4x into derivative of 5 is constant minus 4x derivative minus 4 minus 1/3 1 upon this 7 minus 6x, 7 derivative 0 minus 6x derivative minus 6. Then this y is equal to this as 2x, then cancel out the term, 2 get cancelled, here remains 2, then this minus 2 and this 3 means minus 6 divided 5 minus 4x. Then this minus and this minus is also plus, and 3 into 2 is 6, means 2 divided 7 minus 6x, which is the value of derivative. In such type of an example, if product function, quotient, first simplify using the properties of logarithm and convert it into the simple form such that we find the derivative easily. Then next one is also something, log a upon, here product of function, first we apply log a upon b form, means we separate numerator denominator term, okay. Therefore, and then next we apply log a into b, means log a plus log b, and then either a raised to m form, m into log a. Then y is equal to log of numerator is a raised to cos x minus 10 log of this x square minus 3 cube into log x, okay. Therefore, y is equal to this log of a raised to cos x. Next, apply log a into b property here, means log a plus log b, here minus and outside, log of x square minus 3 cube, and here log into b is log x, means log of log x, okay, log of log x. Then after that, simplifying this, here again use log a raised to m form and then differentiate. Therefore, y is equal to, here also a raised to m form, means cos x into log a minus 10, this log a raised to m form means 3 into log of x square minus 3, and this minus sign means log of log x, okay. Differentiate here with respect to x, then dy by dx, here log a is constant, take it outside, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus this 3 is constant, log of derivative 1 upon x square minus 3 into this derivative inside term x square minus 3. Then minus 10 log of log x, consider this as x, then log of x derivative 1 upon x, x means here log x, into this derivative inside term means into derivative of log of x, okay. Then simplify this, dy by dx is equal to minus sin x into log of a, then minus this 3 upon x square minus 3, and this x square derivative is 2x, and this 3 derivative is 0, then minus 10, this 1 upon log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x, means what we get, dy by dx as dy by dx is equal to minus sin x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, get minus sin x into log a, this 3 into 2 means 6x divided by x square minus 3, and this minus 10 1 upon x into log of x, which is the value of derivative. And first we simplify this term to find the derivative. This 25 means 5 square log to the base 5 of sec x, minus this 16 means 4 square into log to the base 4 of tan x, means here we have to apply the result log a raised to m, then m into log a, that is if m into log a, then also we write log a raised to m, then 2 into log to the base 5 sec x, means what is this, log sec x square, that is y is equal to 5 raised to log to the base 5 into sec x square, that is 2 into sec x means sec x square, minus here 4 log 4, this 4 square means 2 log 4 tan x, means this as tan x square, okay, or tan square x. Then this, here we use one result, that is if log e to the base e, that is same base, log e to the base e is 1, same thing log 5 to the base 5 is also 1, means same base, then it is 1. Then here this is also 1, this is also 1. What is remain only? That is sec square of x minus tan square of x. And again we know the one result, that is sec square of x is equal to 1 plus tan square of x. Then sec square of x minus tan square of x is 1. Okay, sec square of x is 1 plus tan square of x. Therefore, sec square of x minus tan square of x is 1. Then this y is equal to get 1, and derivative of y with respect to x constant derivative is 0, means here dy by dx is 0 upon v, that is u into derivative of dv by dx minus v into du by dx divided v square. Okay, then apply this what we get? This as u, this as v. Means square root of x square minus 5 into d dx of this x square plus 2 raised to 4 minus x square plus 2 raised to 4 into d dx of square root of x square minus 5 divided denominator square. When you take square, this get eliminated, square will get eliminated. Then dy by dx is equal to the square root x square minus 5 derivative x raised to n form, means 4 into x square plus 2 raised to 3 into derivative of inside term x square plus 2 minus here x square plus 2 raised to 4 is constant, square root x derivative in that 1 upon 2 into square root x square minus into derivative of inside, that is into x square minus 5 divided by this x square minus 5. Okay, then this dy by dx is equal to this square root x square minus 5 into this 4 x square plus 3 raised to 3, the derivative 2x minus x square plus 2 raised to 4 into this 1 upon 2 into square root x square minus 5 into this derivative 2x divided by x square minus 5. If you observe, this divided 1 upon square root term is multiplicative to this one, then here we multiply, here cross multiply and divided this term to the whole term. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, when we multiply this term, then multiply whole over the equation or multiply here, then this term is divided to this. Okay, that is when that x minus 1 upon x, when we do, that is x square minus 1 divided 1, x into x square minus 1 divided x in this way. Therefore when we multiply this, that is we get this 2 here, 2 and this 2 get cancelled, then multiply this one, this square root x square minus 5, here square root into this square root get eliminated, x square minus 5 into this 4 into 2 8x into x square plus 3 square, here remain is minus time x square plus 2 raised to power 4 into x is remain, and whole divided raised to 1 half power and raised to 1 power, 1 plus 1 half, that is 3 by 2 power. Okay, means x square minus 5 raised to 3 by 2 power. Then which one is common term here? X square plus 3 raised to power is 3 here, raised to is 3, that is raised to 4 derivative 4 into raised to 3. Then 3 power is common, take it outside. Here is also, sorry, x square, here what we do, x square plus 2. Okay, x square plus 2, this term is x square plus 2, x square plus 2, x square plus 2, that is given is x square plus 2 raised to 4. Okay, here derivative x square plus 2 is this one. Then which one is common term? X square plus 2, here also x square plus 2 raised to 3 power, take it outside. Then dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2 raised to power 3, we take outside. The remaining inside is here x, here also x, take this x also outside. The remaining is 8 into x square minus 5, and here minus 10 x square plus 2, 1 power is remain, x square plus 2 divided this x square minus 5 raised to 3 by 2. Then dy by dx is equal to this x into x square plus 2 raised to 3 power, x into x square plus 2 raised to 3 power into this, multiply it, 8x square minus 40 minus x square, this minus 2 divided x square minus 5 raised to 3 by 2 power, means what we get finally, x into x square plus 2 raised to 3, this has 7x square and this has minus 42, that is 7x square minus 42 divided this x square minus 5 raised to 3 by 2, which is the value of derivative.